Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to TMG Trades, the best place on YouTube to be getting your up-to-date Bitcoin and cryptocurrency analysis. And well, in today's video, Bitcoin is looking like it's going to have another bullish day. These bullish days you sometimes have to get used to. I know a lot of people preemptively want to short this market and bet that it's going to go down because it goes up, and Bitcoin always goes down. So let's bet that it goes down. That's how you end up getting trapped in short positions. That can cause you to lose an awful lot of money if Bitcoin goes onto another parabolic rally. Looking at the current price of Bitcoin right now, it's just rallying quite significantly to the upside. I went long this morning at around 8 o'clock in the morning when I first woke up around these levels here, around $43,800. I opened $1 million position. Basically, this position is now basically $1 million. Currently a small amount of profit on that position overall, but I'm also pretty much long. You can see from the green here, I'm long on the entire cryptocurrency market. And across the board right here, we have over $100,000 of profit that I could take right now, but I'm not going to. The reason I'm not going to take my profit right now is I need to go have a shower and sort my hair out. But the other thing is, I'm pretty sure that Bitcoin is going to have another bullish day. And if it doesn't have a bullish day, I'm in enough profit on these positions so that I've got enough of a buffer that I'm not all that bothered. So basically, I'm in a position right now whereby I think Bitcoin looks like it's going to continue breaking to the upside based off the analysis that I'm about to show you. So first of all, let's look at Bitcoin's price. This is the Bitcoin price on the 4-hour chart right here. And as you can see from this chart, we've tested this resistance level now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6th time we've tested this resistance level. I'm expecting to break through it upon this test. A lot of people would probably say, no, we're not going to break through it. I'm expecting to break through this resistance level, and I'm kind of trading in accordance with that theory. At the same time, the reasons why I'm bullish is because we have bullish down here on the MACD, bullish on the RSI. We are also now bullish on the weekly chart on the MACD. Well, rather, at the end of this week, we're going to go bullish on the MACD. Hence why I'm fairly confident as soon as we get this bullish crossover on the weekly MACD, we will pump to the upside, because every single time you see a cross like this, you see a huge pump in Bitcoin's price. We're looking for that cross right now. We'll see the cross, and then we'll see a huge pump in Bitcoin's price. So Bitcoin is on the cusp of something major right now, which is looking very nice to me. But one of the other things that's making me very bullish on Bitcoin would be if you look at Bitcoin's current funding rates. If we refresh this page right now to get the most up-to-date funding rates possible, you can see currently BitMEX is mostly short, bybit is mostly short, Gate is mostly short, FTX is mostly short, DYDX is mostly short. The only exchanges that are not short, even Binance, to be honest, it's not mostly short, but it is quite short. OKEX is quite short. And if you look at what it's been over the course of the past 24 hours, there's been a lot of people short on Bitcoin. Everywhere you see green or a minus or not 0.01, that is where people are majority in short positions, essentially. And the entire market is wanting to short the pump. And that makes me think, no, don't short the pump. I've seen this before. I've seen this so many times. If you short the pump and it keeps pumping, then that means you have to close your short position. That ends up with the perfect short squeeze. So those people shorting right now, they're going to get squeezed out of their positions pretty soon. They'll probably get squeezed out of them around $46,000. And at $46,000, then you end up with your parabolic rally up to 48, 49, and then a crash down to 47. And the reason for that would be when you have mass closing of short positions, that is sudden huge amounts of buying demand for Bitcoin. When you have huge amounts of buying demand and a lessening supply on exchanges, with more and more people going long and nobody really wanting to sell the Bitcoin that they have, you end up with these parabolic rallies. That is what I'm expecting could happen today. That is basically my analysis for the day, and I'll update you later on today as to how accurate it is. But if you are interested in following along throughout the course of today, please do follow my Telegram account. On my Telegram account, you can find a link for it in today's video description. It's completely free to join. There's 2,000 people in that group already, which is fantastic. But if you want to follow along with what I'm doing day to day, all the time, I post pretty much everything I do currently in that group. So please do join that group. You'll find a link for it in today's video description. If you are, of course, interested in trading, you'll find links and information as well as to that in today's video description. It's the morning. I need some coffee. I'm going to go get some coffee, and then we're going to reassess the strategy for the day, make sure everything is all good, and if it's not all good, I'll come back. If not, stay up to date on the Telegram group. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you in a bit.